Hi, in this video, we will look at the following main character. In the last episode, we looked at the character for power and other characters that use it. In this video, we will look at more characters that use the character for power. The plow is a common and important item for agriculture, making it a good symbol for communication. As a reminder, this is the ancient version of the main character we are looking at today. It depicts the shape of a plow. Can you find the main character? This character has 3 parts. Let's break it down. The top part of the character depicts grass, the middle part is a cover, and the bottom part is the plow. This character is depicting the act of plowing in order to renew a field covered in weeds. This character means labor. The traditional character describes someone plowing the field through the night by an open fire. It is used in this word, 劳动, which means labor. On to the next character. From the plow, we will add the character that means walk slowly. To use a plow and move forward, you need to apply force and strive to move the plow ahead. This character means strive. And since farmers need to strive every day and be responsible for their crops, this character also means work or affair. It is used in this word, 服务, which means serve. It's time for another character. The character on the right of the plow means mouth. You need a lot of strength to move a plow, and sometimes you need to muster up just a little more power to get the job done. And to add more power, a farmer might shout or sing. This character means add. It is used in these words, 参加, which means participate in, and 增加, which means increase or raise. Let's see the next character. From here, we will add the character for horse. To prepare a horse to ride, you need to add a saddle. This character means ride. Of course, back then they didn't have cars or planes, but now this character also means drive, fly, and sail. It is used in this word, 劳驾, which means excuse me. Here's the last character. The character enveloping the plow symbolizes a barn. When the harvest year is complete, the plow is returned to the shed. And with that year, you'll have gained more experience. This character means experience. The traditional character depicts a barn full of crops and then the act of looking back on the steps taken over the last year. It is used in this word, 历史, which means history. These are the characters we looked at today. How many could you recognize? Hit like if you learned some new Chinese characters and subscribe to stay in the loop. That's it for this video. Have a good day or a good night, and I hope you enjoyed learning some Chinese characters. See you in the next one.